In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Stripe payments on Shopify. Before you start, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. You will be using the Shopify interface to connect Stripe, so the process stays organized and easy to manage. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place, because the steps will rely on the menus and buttons you see on screen. Now go to the Apps section. In your Shopify admin, you can usually find this area in the left side menu. When you click Apps, you are opening the place where Shopify lists tools and integrations for your store, including payment providers and payment-related apps. This is where you will be able to find Stripe and install the correct subscription integration. Next, search for Stripe. You will see a search field in the Apps area. Type in Stripe so the results update. This step matters because you want to select the right app or integration, and searching is the fastest way to locate it. As you type, watch the results list carefully, so you pick the Stripe option that is meant for subscriptions and payments. Once you find the Stripe subscription-related option, you will select it and open the app details page. At this stage, Shopify will show information about what the app does, what it connects to, and what permissions it needs. Take a quick look at the description so you understand that this is the Stripe subscription setup that will support recurring payments if you are using subscriptions. This helps ensure you are installing the intended integration. After you open the correct Stripe subscription listing, you will proceed to install it. Look for an install button or a similar call to action. Click it to begin the installation process. Shopify may show a few prompts as the app prepares to connect to your store. This step is the bridge between viewing the app listing and actually enabling Stripe functionality inside your shop. When the installation starts, continue through the prompts that appear. Pay attention to what Shopify asks you to confirm. The goal here is to allow the app to access what it needs to connect Stripe to your products and checkout. If you see any permissions or settings screens, follow the prompts carefully and confirm the connection only when you are comfortable with what is being enabled. After installation completes, you will return to your Shopify settings where payment providers are managed. This is where you confirm that Stripe is active as a payment method. Even though you installed the app, double-checking the payment configuration helps prevent checkout issues later. You want to ensure that customers will actually see Stripe as a choice at checkout. Now, you will look for the Stripe payment option in the Payments area. In Shopify, the relevant area is typically called Payments. Open that section and check whether Stripe appears as an available provider. If Stripe needs to be enabled or connected, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Some setups may require you to authenticate the connection so Stripe knows which account to receive payments from. Once Stripe is connected and visible in the payment settings, take a moment to confirm the status. You are looking for indicators that the provider is active and ready. This step is important because it determines whether the checkout can process real payments. If anything still shows as inactive, revisit the connection prompts and complete whatever remains. Finally, once everything shows as properly set up, you can think about verifying the customer experience. You do not need to change anything else for the basics to work, but it is helpful to understand that your checkout will now offer Stripe. If Shopify provided a way to test or review settings, use that to confirm your setup is correct for your store's needs. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.